Welcome to Yashva, your channel where creativity meets passion. Here we dive into captivating stories, explore new ideas, and embark on exciting journeys that inspire and entertain. Whether you're seeking fresh perspectives, in-depth discussions, or just some lighthearted fun. You may be kid, young or old, Yashva is your ultimate destination. Join us as we bring imagination to life.
Hello kids, I'm Freddy the Frog, and I'm here to take you on a fun journey through the alphabet. So let's hop right in and start learning our ABCs. A. It is for alligator, dangerous to see. B is for bear, with fury hair. C is for cat, cozy and curled up. D is for dog, wagging its tail. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, just like me, jumping around. G is for goat, climbing real high. H is for horse, galloping fast. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jam, sweet and sticky. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar. M is for money, jingling coins. N is for nest, safe and warm. O is for owl, wise and watchful. P is for parrot, powerful and chatty. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rabbit, hopping hop hop. S is for sheep, fluffy and white. T is for tiger, striped and fierce. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for van, taking us places. W is for wall, standing tall. X is for Christmas, full of cheer. Y is for